Benefits of eating right amount of food every meal. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. Eating 3 meals a day is very important for our health, especially the breakfast. Skipping one of these meals, especially breakfast, will surely have a negative effect to your body's whole day performance. Knowing the exact, right and enough amount of food to eat in every meal is very important. Many people don't know these facts. Let's discuss the importance of eating 3 meals a day and the advisable amount of food to eat per meal. Eating breakfast. When eating your breakfast, you must eat more compared to your lunch meal and dinner. Since your body had its whole night rest, your body needs enough energy until the noon time. Not just your body, but also your brain will work very active and efficient when you eat exact amount of food and breakfast. This will be more effective if you will have first your morning stretching or exercise before eating breakfast. Having your snack before lunch is also advisable, since this will add extra energy when you have a bunch of activities to do. Eating your lunch. Eating lunch with less compared to your breakfast is also advisable for you to have a balanced weight and maintain your energy for the whole day. If you eat more food during lunch, a big possibility that you will feel sleepy, especially if you are working in the office sitting in front of your computer or laptop and doing your paperworks. Don't also drink too much water during lunch. This will also make you bloated and causes you to feel sleepy and uncomfortable. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. Eating dinner. Eating small or enough amount of food at dinner before bedtime is very important. If you eat too much at dinner before bedtime, your body will likely gain excess weight and belly fat. You will also find it hard to breathe lying in bed and to sleep easily and faster. Just remember to eat more, right, less or enough food in these 3 meals a day. Do this every day and you will have a balanced and energetic body the whole day. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 4 stunning health benefits of drinking coconut water. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylificide.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life. Until next time.